2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.